$1,000 allocation on the board. We got the semiconductors being represented with SMH, and then we've got SanDisk with an $18,000 allocation. The semis have $35,000 in allocation, and then I have my Hyperliquid trade, Hype USDT, all long positions. It's gonna be an exciting day, guys. Come on, let's see what happens tonight. We're gonna get this aftermarket overnight pullback or what? Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. We've got the FOMC meeting. We've got Meta and Microsoft earnings. And then on Thursday, we have Apple earnings. Massive rotations happening in the markets right now. You're watching live from Southern California. Here's our live board. Aftermarket is moving. Overnight markets are really moving. We're in the red. We're gonna dig ourselves out of this position. Sometimes you gotta take some battle scars. Sometimes there's blood on the streets. Who do we got on the live stream? Who's on that chat? I see we got Ronaldo and Jacob. Good to have you all. Fred is in the house. Good to have you. All right, let's see this reversal. It's gonna be a fantastic and beautiful reversal. SanDisk is already starting. SanDisk is starting up, baby. Let's go, baby. We're ready for the reversal. Let's go. Come on, baby. SanDisk is starting the reversal. I like that body. Look at that body on the 1 minute. That green body. It's ready to push up. Dead PC says, what chat are we looking at? I'm on TikTok. Here's a live board. Yeah, we just got our TikTok live streams working. All right. I'll add into the Hyperliquid position, but we already have $60,000 of positions open. SMH. So what does the SMH ETF hold? NVIDIA, Taiwan Semiconductors, Broadcom, AMD, Micron, ASML, AMAT, Texas Instruments, KLA, and Lam. All right, so mindset-wise, I'm going into a managing position, preserving capital mindset, because we're down 22%, down 32%. This is my intention because the goal is to add into the position and lower the entry price, because these things are getting oversold and hammered, and SanDisk is about to hit 1,000 big even right now. So we're gonna start adding in, and the strategy goes like this. When you're playing Hail Mary like this, you gotta get as much runway as you fucking can. You gotta have as much runway as you can. So you put that next ad right below liquidation. Right on top of liquidation. All right, let's do this. So we're going until liquidation. This is called the Chris MM crypto strategy. The Carl the Moon strategy. All right. So I'm going to change my strategy. I'm removing all stop losses. So we defend our position. Instead of having a break-even stop, you have a position defense right on top of your liquidation price. This is a strategy. This is called a catch a bottom strategy. Hopefully we don't have to stay up all night, because I need to sleep. But we'll see. I want this to rip. It's got to rip. All right, it's dumping. Let it dump. I'm trusting you, Chris. You told me this strategy works. Catch a bottom strategy. I mean, it's not going to be a bottom, it'll be a short-term bottom. But enough to hold us up until FOMC. We broke 1,000. We broke 1,000. SanDisk after hours down 8.8%, Micron down 7%, Bloom Energy up 6.8% after earnings. WDC, NBIS, AMAT, into all down. SanDisk broke 1,000, big even. We're gonna double down on our position. Same with SMH, we're gonna double down. Okay, I think SMH needs this more than SanDisk does. I feel like a DJ at Tomorrowland. I got my whole setup here. What do we got on chat? Chart Magic? He said he's still out. I got my charts in front of me. Come on, I wanted to get into my buy limit order a little bit lower. Here comes a pullback for SanDisk. Let's see what we get with SMH. I'm gonna add into this position for SMH to drop the entry 520.96 to and SanDisk is pulling back. So we went from $35,000 to $63,000 in SMH. So now our average entry is 518, while I see SanDisk pulling back a little bit. Tesla's hitting 300. Let's see where that puts us. I really like SMH. So $88,000 total in exposure. The thesis is that we see a pullback. All right. MU at 767, my gosh. Let it pull back, come on, baby. I wouldn't even mind Hyperliquid getting down to 54 because then I'll add into that position. But there's nothing to worry about, guys. My quant trader sent me the closing day report. Everything's stable. FOMC's coming up. So we have a pretty stable overnight. I don't see anything unexpected. I don't see why prices don't rise back up to where they were at the close. You can see things are pulling back. howtotradeai.com. If you haven't signed up already, sign up. All right, round two. Let's see where this is going. Hyperliquid's pulling back. I like looking at Bitcoin as like a indicator of stability in the markets. And so far it's been pretty stable at 63.8, 63.8, 64. We had $1 trillion wiped out in semiconductors today across 6 names. Just so you guys know. All right, we're seeing a slight pullback here. Let's see if SanDisk can make it back above our entry. SMH is a little delayed, I think, little volume. SanDisk is looking good on the hourly, really good on the hourly. We're gonna let SanDisk ride up here in just a second. It's about to flip positive, which makes me think SMH will do the same. But ironically enough, there's no SanDisk in SMH. So we're about to flip positive here. Jose Arturo said, is this trading? Yes, this is trading, bro. We have our live board. These are the most volatile assets today. So we're using a fade strategy, if you know what that is, as a trader. So it's like taking the overstretched move and trading into it. And then we're trying to see whether or not our algo can beat me. I'm at a 75% win rate, and the algo's at a 64.3% win rate right now. And so we're trying to figure this out, coming to you live from Southern California, baby. I'm really waiting for the semiconductors to flip, guys, because if SanDisk is flipping, semis could be next, but the semis are completely different than SanDisk. So let's see what happens. It looks like we're recovering. Hype just turned positive. SanDisk is about to turn positive, $18,000 allocation. And then the semis has a $63,000 allocation. And I think the semis are a little delayed on Hyperliquid. So if you guys haven't already, howtotradeai.com, download the platform. Jose Arturo, get on the platform. #1, it's a trading platform in the world. It's an AI trading coach. That's what we're using to make these trades. All right, so SanDisk just flipped positive. So that's good. So let's see where we can take this with SMH as well going positive. You're never going to catch the exact bottom. You're never going to catch the exact top, but you can get close. SMH is starting to look like it wants to reverse. SanDisk wants to rip. We'll let it rip. Patience is key here. And SMH loves to rip back. That's what it does. It's like a chainsaw, in and out. I think we're well positioned. I think SMH will surprise us. That's my expectation. That's why I've got 18,000 allocated to SanDisk, but then 63 in SMH. I really think SMH will surprise us. We had $1 trillion wiped out today in the semiconductors. So it's asking for trouble. Migs DS says, invite people. Tracy says, I'm excited to see how this all works out for you. Invite people over? Who's in Southern California? All right, let's see what we've got. 15% down on SMH. We're going to see this reversal here soon. Don't get emotional. We're below all of the lows of the day. So even the low of the opening, and when we pulled back, we're below all of that with our entry. And definitely below price right now with overnight trading. SanDisk is building its way up. Remember, you take the ladder up, you take the elevator down. So you got to be patient with the way up. We got one on Kick, two. Oh wait, hold on. We're on TikTok as well. There you go. There you go. 65 viewers on TikTok. What's up, TikTok? 156 likes. I love it. HowToTradeAI.com. If you guys haven't already signed up, sign up right now. It's a platform that I built. It's what we're trading on right now, and it's an AI trading coach, and it will send you the best setups every single day. HowToTradeAI.com. While we're waiting for this semiconductor reversal. All right. Gold USD sell now. I'm actually bullish on the precious metals. All right, let's see this reversal. Dong Justice just joined. Good to have you. On our TikTok live. TikTok live. Bloom Energy up 8.4% in overnight trading after earnings. All right, guys, this thing is gonna pull back so hard it's not even funny. I can just already tell by the market structure. You'll see here in a second. SanDisk is moving. SanDisk is moving. I wish we'd had a larger allocation in SanDisk because SMH is being disappointing, but SMH tends to lag and then surprises. It's got a lot going on in SMH. But TSM is dumping like crazy, which is dragging it down right now. All right, we're gonna let this rip. Taiwan Semiconductors is really dragging us down right now. That looks like the biggest stronghold. Yeah, we got a lot of traders joining from TikTok. Good to have you guys. If you haven't already, sign up to howtotradeai.com. It's an AI trading coach that I built, and it's essentially what we use for this platform as well. So the cool thing is I can actually go into it and show you guys the app here. So this is the app. So you can just get your signals here every single day. You'll have stocks, crypto. So you can see right now we got all these signals open. And it's just the small things about this app make things so easy. It tells you whether the current entry is better or worse than your last entry. You have your AI coach grading every single move you make. You got a whole course in the app. So this is free. Download it right now. howtotradeai.com. And then of course, we can go here and look at our live board. So let's pull up our live trades. We're expecting a pretty sharp reversal here. Tesla's reversing, just saw some buy volume. SMH needs to reverse soon because SanDisk is about to go positive. But I believe in SMH, it doesn't disappoint, so let's just be patient. And I think we'll see it reverse for sure.
Best advice I can give you. Best advice I can give you.
I'm telling you, I think SMH is going to surprise us. I really think it's going to surprise us. SanDisk just flipped positive. Micron is moving up. GSM is moving up. Tesla's moving up. WDC's moving up. All right, there you go, SanDisk. Now let's set our target. We're up 4% on SanDisk. And then SMH is going to come surprise us. Just wait. So for SanDisk, we got our stop set. We got our take profit set. For SanDisk, all right, let's let this baby reverse. And then SMH should come next. MU's pushing. Tesla's pushing. Tracy said good call on SanDisk. Oh, it's going to be a good call on SMH too. Just watch, wait. All right, there's SanDisk. I'll tell you, howtotradai.com, guys. These signals literally just showed up on my board on my phone, and then I came upstairs from the gym, went on live, and took the trades. Boom. All right, be patient. This is just a start. We gotta get SMH up there. Okay, there's SanDisk. Hourly's gonna close pretty bullish. Question is, where's SMH? I'll close SanDisk once SMH moves. How about that? SMH is strong. I don't know why it's not strong right now. It should be a strong stock. I think it's all this stuff that's going on in Korea. It's just affecting it. So, I mean, I hate that the U.S. is so reliant on outsourcing chips. Like, that's why I was so big on Intel in 2019. It was sitting below its 200-week moving average because I'm like, it's an American-made company, and that's what matters to me. But here's our live trades on the board, howtotradeai.com. We're going to wait for SMH to flip positive, and then we'll take profits on SanDisk. I know SMH is going to rip here for the hourly close. Come on. Where are you at? I know you're there. I know you're there. I know you're there, baby. Come on. We're waiting for you. We're waiting for you, SanDisk. Okay, what was that? Why did we pull back? Let's monitor. What just happened to SanDisk? Big sell-off candle. All right, let's monitor this. Is it across the board? Is this an epidemic? MU, small little negative candle. Tesla, small little negative candle, but it's still moving. TSM. TSM's doing well. That's good for SMH. So let's let SMH push. Tesla double bottomed. Deja vu. Okay, there's SMH. There you are. Just in time for the hourly. Come on. I know you've got a pulse. And you gotta understand, SMH is the least riskiest asset here to trade. SMH market cap, because it's an ETF, 77.2 billion. So if we were to go into SanDisk market cap, because you asked me like, why do I have $65,000 in SMH, but I have $16,000 or $18,000 in SanDisk? Well, it's because SanDisk's market cap is not like SMH. Actually, I'm retarded. Actually, sorry about that. 70 to 70, actually, SMH is less. But I guess it's just more diversified is what it is. SanDisk is 162 billion. It's just a bigger market cap than SMH. I'm tripping. It's too late for me. I was thinking, what is it, past midnight now? I was thinking it's almost 1 a.m. actually. I was thinking that SMH is all the market caps of all the companies combined. And I was saying it's bigger than SanDisk, but no, it's not. SanDisk is bigger in market cap. All right, there's SanDisk moving up 10% on the board. Hype is moving to the upside now. We're just waiting on the laggard. Because of this hourly close, I might take some profits off for SanDisk because I'm not planning to hold forever. But I promised you guys we'd wait for SMH to go positive, right? So let's let SMH go positive, and then we'll take profits. All right. So SMH is about to go positive, and then we'll take profits. Here's the hourly volatility. Let's let SMH. All right, there's SMH positive, and then we'll close out. Boom. Popped up and then popped down. And we had a bullish hourly candle, so I guess we'll have to get an energy drink and stay up for another hour. Because we got an hourly bullish candle, it's worth it. It's worth it. And look at that hourly. The hourly looks good. Look at MU's hourly. That looks good. I'm not worried about it. Tesla hourly looks alright. Looks like we're ready for a pop though. So let's just let it pop. SMH needs to actually go positive, not just fake positive. But hourly candle on SMH looked really good. Okay, there you go. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let SMH go positive. SanDisk is pushing up. Okay. Let them go all positive and then we'll close out. We're just waiting for SMH to go positive. I'm gonna take 50% off the board for SanDisk. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. Just wait. What are we at, 13%? Hourly's bullish. I also want to go to sleep, so I really don't care about the money at this point. I just want to get SMH positive. Get me SMH positive, please. Just so that our win rate can get further. We can beat the AI, because remember, the AI is at a 64.3 win rate. So, there's SanDisk. SanDisk is pushing. All right, we'll close out SanDisk here. $400 profit. And I'm gonna go to sleep. So we'll take the profits there. SMH just went positive. We'll take the profits there. Close all. I'm done for the day. Thank you guys. That's called the fade strategy. If you haven't already, howtotradeai.com. Sign up and you guys can experience the blessing of an AI trading coach just like I just showed you guys. So let's crush it. All right, SMH. Wait, still struggling to get out. And I have a rule, I'm just not gonna sleep with a position open. So I wanna sleep tight. Unless we move it to break even, but no, it's all good. We'll take our profits. So, snipers out. Good night. See you guys tomorrow.